guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are talking about how to make money from cryptocurrency. Here are 3 ways. Before we continue our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. When Bitcoin was first introduced, no one expected it to blow up to the heights it is soaring today in terms of value and popularity, along with other cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum, Monero, and Maker. So you are wondering how to make money from cryptocurrency, and if you are too late to board the money-making train that it spawned. Luckily, the time is better than ever, and investing, trading, mining, and staking are the best methods of making a profit. Investing. One of the most popular strategies for making money with cryptocurrency is investing. It essentially works the same way as you would invest in a business, but there is a small twist. Instead of putting in your money and seeing the business boom and making a profit back to you on its own, it is much better to use the buy and hold strategy. Looking at the past, whoever did this strategy correctly made quite a lot of money, especially if they have been saving up Bitcoin from the point where it was worth a couple of cents to today, where it is worth thousands. If you are looking for a long-term strategy on how to make money from cryptocurrency, investing is certainly the one for you. This is especially the case if you have an understanding of the market and can predict the shifts that are going to happen in it. Mining. The term mining is something you have probably heard 100 times already. Not only because it is by far the most popular method of making money through cryptocurrency, but also because due to its popularity, finding PC parts became rather difficult, thus you could have often heard about it on the news. Mining a cryptocurrency is the option that has the least risk since you are generating the currency into your wallet via mining rigs. The only bigger risk is if you are going to keep the currency and mine more of it by the time it drops in price or not. Staking. The technique that is recommended only to those who are experienced with the world of cryptocurrencies is staking. How to make money with cryptocurrency via staking, you wonder? Well, it essentially puts you into the role of a bank. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.